Welcome to the Smart Quiz Channel, U.S. History Edition. Can you ace these 20 brain-teasing questions? Think fast. Let's go. Who was the first President of the United States? A. Thomas Jefferson. B. John Adams. Or C. George Washington. The correct answer is C. George Washington. In which year did the United States declare its independence? A. 1776. B. 1789. Or C. 1812. The correct answer is A. 1776. Which document is known as the Supreme Law of the United States? A. The Bill of Rights. B. The Constitution. Or C. The Articles of Confederation. The correct answer is B. The Constitution. Who wrote the Declaration of Independence? A. Benjamin Franklin. B. Alexander Hamilton. Or C. Thomas Jefferson. The correct answer is C. Thomas Jefferson. The Civil War was fought between which two sides? A. East and West. B. North and South. Or C. USA and Great Britain. The correct answer is B. North and South. Which president issued the Emancipation Proclamation? A. Abraham Lincoln. B. Andrew Jackson. Or C. Ulysses S. Grant. The correct answer is A. Abraham Lincoln. What was the first permanent English settlement in North America? A. Plymouth. B. Jamestown. Or C. Roanoke. The correct answer is B. Jamestown. The Boston Tea Party was a protest against which country? A. France. B. Spain. Or C. Great Britain. The correct answer is C. Great Britain. Which purchase in 1803 doubled the size of the United States? A. Alaska Purchase. B. Louisiana Purchase. Or C. Florida Purchase. The correct answer is B. Louisiana Purchase. What was the main cause of the Great Depression in 1929? A. The stock market crash. B. World War I. Or C. The gold rush. The correct answer is A. The stock market crash. Which event led the United States to enter World War II? A. The Battle of Gettysburg. B. The attack on Pearl Harbor. Or C. The sinking of the Lusitania. The correct answer is B. The attack on Pearl Harbor. Who was the primary leader of the civil rights movement in the 1950s and 60s? A. Malcolm X. B. Martin Luther King Jr. Or C. Rosa Parks. The correct answer is B. Martin Luther King Jr. Which Cold War conflict involved the US and the Soviet Union regarding missiles in 1962? A. The Cuban Missile Crisis. B. The Vietnam War. Or C. The Berlin Airlift. The correct answer is A. The Cuban Missile Crisis. Which U.S. president was the first to resign from office? A. Richard Nixon. B. Bill Clinton. Or C. John F. Kennedy. The correct answer is A. Richard Nixon. What are the first 10 amendments to the Constitution called? A. The Preamble. B. The Federalist Papers. Or C. The Bill of Rights. The correct answer is C. The Bill of Rights. Who was the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean? A. Amelia Earhart. B. Harriet Tubman. Or C. Eleanor Roosevelt. The correct answer is A. Amelia Earhart. Which movement was aimed at gaining the right to vote for women? A. Abolitionist movement. B. Suffrage movement. Or C. Temperance movement. The correct answer is B. Suffrage movement. Which territory did the U.S. buy from Russia in 1867? A. Hawaii. B. Alaska. Or C. Texas. The correct answer is B. Alaska. What was the name of the series of programs launched by FDR to end the Great Depression? A. The Great Society. B. The New Deal. Or C. The Fair Deal. The correct answer is B. The New Deal. In which city was the Declaration of Independence signed? A. New York. B. Washington, D.C. Or C. Philadelphia. The correct answer is C. Philadelphia.